This was voted the best pillow of 2025.
2 weeks in, I'm not waking up looking half asleep anymore.
This rose crystal roller is my morning depuff hack.
Claude and Higgsfield just changed e-commerce forever, and what you're watching right now is proof of it. This would have taken me weeks of back and forth with creators and hundreds of dollars, but I just made all of this in a single sitting for less than $1. Not $100, not even $10, just $1. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I use Claude and Higgsfield to go from a product image to a finished video ad in minutes, one that you can actually run. And by the end of this, you'll never have to hire a creator for professional ad creatives again. Let's get into it. So the first tool that we're going to be using is Claude, and what I've done here is I built a custom skill specifically for creating ads. You can see this is the UGC ad script generator. Now, if you guys have never used a Claude skill before, basically it's just a set of instructions that you build one time, or you insert into the skill, you create a skill, and Claude reads it every single time that you open up a new chat, and then you reference it just like this. So instead of having to re-explain what you want every single time, it already knows exactly what to do, again, if you re-reference the skill. And what this skill right here knows is the full structure of a converting ad. So the hook, the visual direction, the action sequence, what the avatar is going to say, all of it is going to be already baked in. But here's the part that actually makes this different from just prompting Claude normally. Now, before it writes anything, it figures out who actually buys this product. So the age range, the problem that they're dealing with, the language that they use to describe that problem. And it uses all of that to build everything, including who the avatar should look like. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop this skill file right here that you guys can easily download to use this exact same setup. And I've also went ahead and created this Notion guide. It has all the links, step-by-step instructions. It's pretty detailed, and you can easily access it below for completely free. All right, so I'm going to just show you guys how easy it is to add this skill file to your own workspace. You simply just click the skill file right here. It's a Google Drive. You download it just like so. And then all we have to do right here is go over to skills, manage skills, and then we'll press this plus icon, create a skill, and then we'll upload a skill just like so. And then we'll drag and drop that file, the zip file. So simply just upload it, and then it's going to look exactly like this. All right, now I'm going to show you guys exactly how this works. So first of all, we got to go in and reference our skill file. Now, the next thing that we want to do is tell Claude what exactly we're selling and give a little brief description so it has some context. So you simply have to copy this prompt right here, which is your product, and then the description, and then you're just going to fill in the blanks. All right, so I went ahead and filled in the blanks. This is my example product that I'm using, which is this rose quartz face roller, face massager, whatever you want to call it. So I added the image, I added the product name, and then I get a brief little description of what the product is. All we have to do now is press go and see what it spits out. All right, so this is what came back, and it gave us 3 things. I just want to walk through quickly what exactly they are, because this is where most people would skip straight to pasting something in and then they miss the whole point. All right, so the first one is the avatar description. Basically, Claude figured out who actually buys this product and describe exactly what that person looks like. Now, the more information that you give Claude in this prompt, the better, because it's going to know exactly who it should be targeting and who it should be creating for. So this is the information it gave us for the creator. So this description of the avatar is what we're going to be putting into Higgsfield so that we can generate the right looking creator for this product. Then below right here, we have the full production prompt, right? So this is the visual setup. This is going to be the lighting, what the avatar does physically. It's going to be every single beat in detail of the ad, along with what exactly he or she is going to be saying. So all this right here is written, ready to go, and ready to be pasted into the Higgsfield AI. So this right here is the tool that we're going to be using to basically make the magic happen. It's going to bring all of what we're working to life. And if you guys have been living under a rock, this is the absolute best AI video generator, image generator on the market. So I'm gonna try and get you guys a special offer to test out Higgsfield for yourself. Should be able to get you guys a decent amount of credits, but it's absolutely insane, and I'm gonna show you guys right now. So normally what I would do is just go into video and then test out like Cdance, Kling 3, or any of the other models that they have in here, but they just created this marketing studio. The thing that we want to do here is create our avatar. So we click this plus icon. You can see I've created a bunch right here already, but we're going to press create avatar. We're going to go back to Claude, and then we're going to copy the avatar description just like this. We're going to go back into Higgsfield, and then you can either upload an image that'll turn any photo into an avatar like I've done. You can see here I turned myself into an avatar, but we can do that, or we can describe the person that we're looking to create. So in our case, we're just going to do that right now. And then we simply just press generate. All right, so these are the options that we have right here. So we can either select any of these to save, or we can just have it generate more. So obviously you want to go with the one that looks the least AI. I would say it's either this one or this one. So I'm just going to save both of these. Save avatars. So we're basically trying to create someone that would buy our product. So it's going to be a late 20s natural looking girl, no heavy makeup, nothing polished, not really an influencer look, just like a real person. Now the next thing that we want to do is add our product. So it's super simple. We really just add in either, the product page that you're currently using, where you're sourcing from. You can also create it manually just like this. And that's just a matter of adding in your product image. I just did that right here. So I'll show you guys what that entails. That's the product image. You name the product, you give a brief little description of it, and then you save it. So this is the product that we're going to be using. I'm going to now save it. Now the next step here is going back and selecting our prompt that Claude has created for us, going back into Higgsfield and simply pasting it like this. Now we're going to choose our objective. If we press this right here, we can see that there's all these different formats. Each one of these is built for a different objective. So UGC is going to be more of that authentic creator feel. Tutorial is going to be more of like a step-by-step. Hypermotion is going to be very visual based, fast paced, more of like a commercial, right? But we're going to be starting with UGC because that's what we are looking to build here. So I'm going to select that. And then you have options to choose the different aspect ratios. I'm going to go with the iPhone style, 420, 720, and 1080p. You can also select the duration. So let's just do 8 seconds. And then we can also do 1080p. And then we're going to make sure that we're selecting the Claude prompt that we selected here. And then we have the product attached with the avatar, and we simply have to press generate. Now this is going to take about, 10-ish minutes for it to render. So because time is of the essence, I'm going to show you guys some examples of ones that I have created and just show you how insane this is.
My face has been so puffy lately. I'll get a full 8 hours and still wake up looking exhausted. This takes literally 2 minutes. I'll link it below.
Guys, insane. So with this one, I simply just selected one of the creators. This was just one of the AI creators that they already have, along with the product right here. I inserted the script, and then it just created this ad for me. All right, so this is the final ad after it has rendered. It took about 5 minutes.
Someone told me to try this before I do anything else in the morning, like before moisturizer, before everything. Someone told me to try this.
Okay, so we can see that there are actually 2 in here, so that's kind of an issue. It's not going to come out perfect, but the cool thing is that we can use Claude to basically tell it that there was an issue. So all we got to do is just make sure we are referencing this in the ad prompt again, and then we'll go back into Higgsfield and we'll just place it. And then let's change it to 15 seconds. Yeah, and we'll regenerate. All right, so here is the second ad after we've made those adjustments. Let's watch it.
My face has been so puffy in the mornings lately, and I cannot figure out why. 2 weeks in, I'm not waking up looking half asleep anymore. I'll link it below.
This is insane. You're not going to tell me that that does not look like a real person. This is so crazy. Everything from her mannerisms, her gestures, the way that she moves is not robotic at all. And it's a full ad that's ready to go. That's the crazy thing. It's pretty much a full ad that's ready to go. And you can change anything that you would like in the prompt, right? We could literally have her say anything that we want right here. It's word for word, so consistent. That is why this tool it's simply the best of its kind. Now building AI UGC from scratch, like I just showed you, it's actually pretty straightforward once you do it once or twice. The hard part is knowing what to actually do with it. Which product do you run this on? How do you know if it's working? When do you scale and when do you cut it? That is where most people burn through their budget trying to figure this whole thing out on their own. That is why I work directly with a small group specifically on this process. The entire thing from product, ads, your numbers, scaling. So if you guys are serious about building something and want to work one-on-one, feel free to apply below. Now the AI UGC method we just covered was cool, but we had to build it from absolute scratch. So what if I told you that we can actually take an ad that is already making money and just rebuild it with a fresh creator, a fresh dialogue, and essentially make it completely original, but built on a concept that's already proven. And you can just replicate those results without doing any of the hard work. Let me show you guys now. All right, let's go in with another example here. So I've got this ad right here pulled up. It is an ad of a cloud pillow. As you guys can see right here, it's been been doing really well. The ad itself, 730K views, 610 items sold, and then it's done $30,000 in revenue on the ad alone. So whoever made this already figured out what works. Here's just an example. So what I'm gonna do is try and rebuild this ad using this reference. So the first thing that I wanna do is actually download this video. So I'm gonna just click download. You can also reference ads from the ad library as well. I'm just using this tool because it makes it a little bit easier. All right, so now that we have the ad downloaded, that's perfect. Now I know we got a lot of tools going on, but you guys got to trust me. We're gonna be using Gemini because it's honestly the best at this specific thing, which is picking up on what is actually happening visually in the video. Not only what's being said, but actually like what's physically happening. So we're gonna be using that for this step, and that's pretty much it. So simply just wanna drag and drop the video right here. And once we've inserted the ad just like this, the next thing that we wanna do is copy and paste this prompt, which is to transcribe this video and pull the visuals in detail. So we're gonna get exactly what's being said and what's happening on screen. And then we're gonna see what comes back. It's gonna be every single line, every single visual, exactly what the creator is doing and then saying within each point. So really important for us. This is basically the DNA of the whole ad right here. And then now we're gonna go into Claude, and then we're just gonna create a new chat right here. And then from there, I'm gonna re-reference this skill, and then I'm gonna insert this prompt, which is here's a breakdown of a competitor ad that's already performing well. Rebuild this as a brand new Higgsfield production prompt. And then we're gonna insert the Gemini breakdown just like this. So I'll simply copy this, head back into here, and this is what's gonna be pasted just like so. And we can also insert an image of the product to make it a bit easier. Give it a bit more context, and then we're gonna press go. So I'm dropping in that breakdown again to tell it to rebuild the structure with a fresh avatar and original dialogue. All right, pretty much the same deal as before, but we're gonna create our avatar again. We could simply just go here, insert just like so, generate, it's gonna do its thing. All right, so we've got our 3 creators right here. You know what? Let's do a guy. Change avatar to man. That's the beauty of using Claude and AIs, because we can just simply change it just like this. Go back in here and we're gonna create a new one. All right, we got the guys now. Perfect. Okay, let's do this guy right here. Select this avatar. The next thing we want to add in that. Yeah, so for this one, I basically just inserted a screenshot of the product itself, cloud pillow, and then brief description. So we're gonna add in our product, make sure that we're selecting our avatar just like that. We're gonna go back in to here. Now that it's a man, we're gonna copy the prompt, paste in here, and then we're gonna change this time to a tutorial, and let's generate it. All right, here we go.
I haven't slept through the night in like 2 years. This one actually changed something. The foam is slow rebound, so it kind of molds to wherever you're sleeping. I'll link it below.
So there's a few little kinks that need to be sorted out, but for the most part, like, it looks like a ready to go ad. I mean, one prompt. This is the first try. You can imagine how good it can get if you continue to refine it. All right, so that ad started as someone else's concept. Now it is completely original. And the beauty is that we built it on something that is already proven, that already works, and that's clearly making money for the competitor, as you can see right here. And the whole thing, both workflows combined, cost what, maybe a few dollars after all the variations that I added to it. You compare that to what it actually looks like to work with a real creator. You are reaching out to them, you're waiting for the responses, you're briefing them, you're shipping them the product, waiting another week or 2 for the footage to come back. And by the time you have something ready to test, you've spent $300 to $500 minimum in 2 to 3 weeks just to find out if an angle even works for you. This just removes all of that friction, and you can test 5 different angles in an afternoon, maybe even less than that. Now what the marketing studio in Higgsfield is really trying to do here, it's giving you one input and a finished ad pretty much ready to run, ready to go, ready for you to test. And for how new that this is, it's honestly pretty impressive how close that it's getting without us having to do really too much. But the way that I would still approach this is to generate each piece separately and not do it all in one cohesive edit, and then just pull it all together in a video editing software and do it scene by scene manually. And that's just to get the best results. And that's so you got the full control over the pacing, the cuts, and how organic that it's actually going to feel to the person that's watching the video. Now, if you guys want to set this up yourself, the skill file and the full setup guide, it's all going to be in the description for you guys to download completely for free. Now, if you guys want help on the actual business side, figuring out which products to run, how to read your numbers, when to scale, that's exactly what me and my team will help you with in my my mentorship program. So if you guys are looking for that tailored guidance, you guys can again apply below. If this was helpful to you, drop a like. It genuinely helps more people find content like this. Other than that, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.